Hello lovelies, let's solve this math problem together. We have 3 to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 3 plus 555 to the power of 3 is equal to x to the power of 3. So for us to resolve this, we can split our 333 to be 1 times 3 further raised to the power of 3. Plus we have our 4 to be 1 times 4 further raised to the power of 3. And we have our 5 to be 1 times 5 further raised to the power of 3 is equal to x to the power of 3. From here, when we have AB all to the power of 3, this is the same as a to the power of 3 times b to the power of 3. So we'll have that our 1 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 3 plus we have 1 to the power of 3 times 4 to the power of 3. We have plus 1 to the power of 3 times 5 to the power of 3 and is equal to x to the power of 3. So from here we have this and this to be common. So we'll factor it out to have 3 to the power of 3 here, plus we have 4 to the power of 3, and we have 5 to the power of 3, and it's all equal to x to the power of 3. So when we resolve this further, we have 1 to the power of 3. Our 3 to the power of 3 is 27, plus we have 4 to the power of 3, which is 64. And we have 5 to the power of 3, which is 125, and is equal to x to the power of 3. So this will give us 1 to the power of 3. When we add up all this, we have 216, and is equal to x to the power of 3. But our 216 is equal to 6 times 6 times 6, which is 6 to the power of 3. So we have 1 to the power of 3 times, we have 216, which is 6 to the power of 3, is equal to x to the power of 3. Now let's recall that when we have a to the power of m times b to the power of m, this is equal to AB all to the power of m. So we'll be multiplying this together to have 1 times 6 all to the power of 3 is equal to x to the power of 3. So when we multiply this together, we have 666 all to the power of 3 is equal to x to the power of 3. So equating both sides, since the powers are the same, we conclude that our x is equal to 666. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.